Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going over the Christmas in July sale from Sydney Grace, one of my all-time favorite brands. I have 3 eyeshadow palettes to show you. I have 2 mystery bags as well as some new shadows and glitters. I'm going to be giving you guys a ton of swatches, information, and dates, all of the things. And then I have 2 different eye looks for you. I wanted to create more, but Mama's trying to play catch up right now, and I didn't get this quite in time for me to be able to do as many looks as I wanted to do, but I'm going to show you as much as I possibly can. I'm going to give you guys all of the information first, including the swatches, and then I will do the 2 different looks, including this one right here, as well as the last video that you guys saw. This look right here with the color, I'll show you guys that one as well. But let's go ahead and jump into this because I have quite a bit to show you guys. And my apologies because my daughter is camping right now and I need her for swatches, so you're gonna see it on my leg. I'm sorry, but I'm doing my best. Okay, let me get into it. The sale will start July 12th and will run through the morning of July 20th. With this sale, we have the addition of 3 new palettes, one of which is called the Summer Days. You might be asking yourself, why do you have 2? And that is because they did the same thing they did with the Enduring Love palette, and they made a light version and a deep version. I am wearing the light version, which is this one right here. This one is the deep. They're gonna have the same names, but some of the shades will be the same and some of them will be different. I will swatch them side by side so you can see the differences in them. First up, the light palette. We have the shade Basque, Sandcastle, Break of Day, Daystar, Beach Days, Cherry Picking, Blood Orange, S'mores, and Camping. And then the same goes for the deep palette. Now I'm going to show you them side by side so you can see the differences. These are natural palettes I will definitely pick up over and over again. These are my type of colors. I really love the eye look that I created today, and I love the packaging on these. That smooth glitter, I just love that. And then on the inside, I don't know if you caught that, but you do get a mirror. And then we have the Chase Your Dreams palette. This one is more on the colorful, a little bit more fun side. For the shades, we have the Dream, Aspire, Be Bold, the Chase, You Can, Don't Quit, the Drive, Your Best, and Enjoy the Journey. There's 4 new singles, and I'm gonna take these out of the envelope really quickly and put it into my Tarte palette so you guys can see them. Here we go, and I'm gonna quickly swatch them on my hands before I show you the swatches on my leg. Oh, they're so creamy. It's hard to keep them still. Let me push them up. There we go. You see, that blue. Give it to me. And then 2 glitters. This one is Ruby Slippers. Do you guys see this? Oh, I might have to get a little closer. And then Mermaid Scales. I officially have glitter all over me. I can't get it all off. And then I got both warm mystery bags, both in light and in deep. Now, I'm assuming that the shades of the shadows are going to be the same, but I don't know what's going to come in each of the mystery bags. I think that's part of the whole mystery. All I'm going to do is show you what is in mine, and these are not labeled. So I'm just going to insert when I'm doing my editing which one is which. So I'm just going to start off with this one and show you guys what's in it. You're going to get the makeup bag. I have one like this, but it's white or like an ivory. This one is like a peachy pink. It's very pretty. It says Sydney Grace on the front of it. And then let me show you what I've got on the inside. So I'm going to show you the shadows first. There's 5 in here, and I'm going to take these out and put them in my palette so that you guys can actually see them. I have Picking Peaches, Blushing Pink, Southern Flame, Peach Harvest, and Peach Fuzz. There's also a blush in this palette. Now, just going off of this blush, I'm assuming that this is the light version, and this is Belle of Georgia. And I'm just gonna pop this in here as well. And then for the last 2 items in the bag, I have a highlighter and a glitter. All right, so the highlight I got is Sweet Peach. It's a loose highlight. And this is what it looks like. Of course, I will be swatching all of these for you so you can see. And then the glitter is in Elegant Lady. And now for what I'm assuming is going to be the deep version of the warm mystery bag. The first shade is Just Peachy, Blushing Peach, Southern Flame, Peach Harvest, and Peach Fuzz. Just for comparison really quickly, this is the one that comes in the lighter. So you can see that like the transition shade is lighter in the light version. And then the Georgia Peach Blush. This is the lighter version right here, so you can see the difference there. And then we have the highlight, which is called Honey Babe. Again, it's a loose one, and this, oh, I could put that on my eyes and be one happy camper. Oh, that's beautiful. Almost dropped this. The glitter is the same in Elegant Lady. Now I'm going to go through each of the dates and let you guys know the promotions. So July 12th, the very first day, you get a free Chase Your Dreams palette, which is the colorful one, with a $55 purchase. On July 13th, you get a free mystery bag with a $55 purchase. There's other bags other than just the warm one in light and deep. You also have colorful options in light and deep, and you can also purchase the bags for $25 each. On the 14th, there is a surprise deal at 9 a.m. PT. On July 15th, they're going to have a sale. It's going to be on their lip creams, their loose highlighters, blushes, cream shadows, and glitters. All of those are going to be on sale. I don't know the prices for them, but they will be on sale. The 16th, we have a free Summer Days palette, which is the first one I showed you, the more natural one. And it's going to be with a $55 purchase. On the 17th, you're getting more freebies. So if you spend $30, you will get $20 worth of free product. And then if you spend $55, you will get $50 worth of free product, and Sydney Grace determines what you will be getting. On the 18th, we have another surprise deal. And then lastly, July 19th, there will be a 25% off sale on their single shadows. There's all the promotions for you guys. If you have yet to check out Sydney Grace, A, why? But B, this is the perfect opportunity to. And if you're wondering about my thoughts on the palettes, they perform beautifully just like every other Sydney Grace product I have ever tried. They are a phenomenal brand. I back them 100%. I love them so much. You won't be disappointed. If you tried them before, let us know what you think down below. And if you would like to stay tuned for the 2 different eye looks, I'm going to start that now. But I'm going to go ahead and head out. I love you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Zoeva 227 and You Can. I picked up a very small amount of this because I know how pigmented Sydney Grace is. And I'm just placing this, kind of tapping it on the outer corner. And then I'm going to use circular motions to blend it out upward and into the crease and transition area. I'm telling you, I used a tiny little bit. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And it is unset, other than right up here. Now that I have that one initial layer down, I'm going to repeat the process. And I want the majority of the pigment to be on the outer corner, the lower lid. And as the product gets off of my brush, that's when I start to kind of bring it upward. Sonia G Mini Booster. I'm going to take that same shade and just buff it right along the lower lash line. Sticking with the same Zoeva 227, I'm going to grab the shade Don't Quit. Now this is a metallic shade, but I am going to use it in the crease to deepen it up. I personally don't mind to have any shimmer or anything like that in the crease, but if you do, there's other matte shades you could use. And I also feel like when you use a fluffy brush and a metallic, it blends out to just kind of have a sheen instead of it being really intense, like if I took this and packed it on the lid. Again, same shade. I'm going to take my time and lightly apply this a little closer to the lashes, and this is a rougher number 3. Sonia G, Builder 3, and The Drive. I am packing this on the outer corner. Kind of pushing it up into the crease as well. Refer P21 in the shade Aspire. I am placing this on the front portion of the eye, or the lid, and tapping over the edge of the purple to kind of melt them together. I'm going to build up on the inner corner just a little bit, and again dragging slightly over the purple. I want a bone color shade for my brow arch, so I'm going in with my Hourglass Myth palette, MAC 252, and I'm going to highlight the brow arch. BK Beauty 204 and The Dream. I'm going to apply just a little bit of this on the inner corner, and then I'm going to take the black shade, Enjoy the Journey, and I'm going to smudge that right at my lashes on the top, and then add inner rim liner and mascara. Summer Days Light Palette. I'm going to start off with a Zoeva 227 and this shade right here. This shade is called Sand Castle, by the way. I'm going in the crease, outer corner. Use this as my transition shade. I really love the undertone of this color. Using the same color, I'm now taking a BK Beauty 207 and just buffing that right along the lower lash line. I'm sitting here trying to decide between these two shades. Do I want to be a little bit warmer or a little bit more neutral cool? I don't know yet. Beach days, break a day, beach days. Let's go for break a day. Same 227 from Zoeva. I picked up just a little bit of product. Again, pigmentation with these shadows. There is a fly, and it's running around, or I guess flying around. It's driving me bonkers. Like, can you just land and just sit there? That'd be cool. Refer number 1 and Cherry Picking. Placing this on the outer corner of the lid. I guess like the whole outer lid. And then I will also bring this up into the crease after I get that laid down. Majority of the product is off of my brush. I'm going to smoke this out and upward. MAC 242 in the shade Bask. Makes me want to just bask in the sun. Or highlight my brow arch. Soften it up with my finger. Again, I'm struggling between these two shades right here, Camping and S'mores. I could take Camping and be a little bit more on the warm side, or S'mores. I think that that's the route that I am going to take because I think it will pop just a little bit more. So I'm going in with this one, S'mores. I clearly was not watching where I was pointing. This is an Esam W21. I am packing this on the front portion of the eyelid and then tapping over that last shade we laid down. That flies. Oh, it's making me lose my concentration. Royal Inlay Nickel BOM 18. I'm just taking a little bit of Basque, popping it on my inner corner, and then I'm going to go add on liner and mascara.